Okay, I'm at a coin-operated laundromat. Need to get my laundry done after 4 days. So these are found everywhere in Bangkok. So what I do is I travel rather light. I didn't bring tons of clothing and all that. So I come try to find a laundromat like this one at the back. Cost about 50 baht to do the washing, 10 baht for detergent. They don't give you change and all that in the vending machine, and another 40 baht to get the clothes all dried up. So probably about an hour I get my stuff. So that's one of the chores I do when I travel. Okay, this is the Thailand outdoor shop, one of the biggest outfitters in Bangkok. They used to be at another place, so they moved to this new location, bigger shop and lots of stuff. So let's take a tour. Very stylo, like a REI shop in the US. Lots of branded products. This is an outdoor enthusiast dream to be here. Very well stocked. And that's my friend Prida. Long time no see, man.
Okay.
Alright. Just gonna take you guys around. Charcoal sandals, very expensive clothing and all that. Fjällräven. Oh man, this place gonna spend a lot of time here. Spend your money. MSR products, backpacks by Gregory. Very well stocked. Huge shop and much bigger than before. Lakey trekking poles. I think we reached the end of it. Probably a changing room here. Outdoor is a very big market in Thailand, and this is quite premium stuff. So yeah, man, the Thailand outdoor shop. So after my last trip in 2019, haven't been back here, but very impressed with the stuff. Well done. Okay guys, this is the archery Thai range. They have relocated. They opened a new shop in Lat Prao. So this is the pro shop. A lot of good stuff here. Compound bow. All these archery accessories. All your archery peripherals. The counter. Traditional bows. Just like the good old times, and some of the archery stuff. Now I'm gonna head straight to the range. It's quite a beautiful range here. There's the lounge area. There's a shooting line. That's my friend Frida. Okay. There's a session going up. Slightly bigger than the old range. Yeah, so yeah, archery Thai's new, not that new, they moved after COVID to this new joint. So it's integrated with an optics shop at the back and the outdoor shop in front. So yeah, man, things from Bangkok. Time check is late afternoon here, and it has been quite a productive day. So early I thought, well, I'm just going to take it easy a bit, take a grab car to Lat Prao and visit my friends. But the night before, my friend Kun Nantapon invited me to his house nearby for coffee and breakfast. So okay, I said okay. Having worked out the logistics and all that, I decided to ride my motorbike there because I think the morning rush hour is just not worth the time waiting for a grab car and pay premium price. So I rode to his house and found a laundromat, and did my laundry, everything. And, just hang out at his place, checked out his, coffee making paraphernalia and all that. Also had a wonderful time at the place, having coffee and some, light breakfast. They hang out there for a couple of hours, was introduced to his house cat and stuff. And then around about 10:30, I roll out to Lat Prau from his home, which is roughly about 2.5 kilometers away. The ride there was quite interesting. I kind of like, just weave myself through the traffic, which was pretty light. When I got there, an old friend of mine, Kun Prida, was already nearby at a Burger King. He was hanging out. So I parked my bike at this place called Thailand Outdoor Shop at Lat Prau. And just checked out the place and all that, and met Kun Prida. So later we waited for another good friend of mine, Kun Pishet. These are the guys I've met way back in the days where they had a Thailand blade forums. So they hosted my visit back in the late 90s and all that. We maintained good connections and all that, and throughout the year 2000s and all that, I make return trip to Bangkok and catch up with them. Prida has been to Kuala Lumpur, and I've also hosted his visit there. So at the Thailand Outdoor Shop, I checked out the place, which was really, really awesome. But Kun Pishet, who runs and owns the Sukhumvit branch of the Thailand Outdoor Shop, told me that the camping trade has been down, not doing as well as I kind of like imagined. And by the looks of what they sell over there in Lat Prau, these are highly premium stuff. It's also one of those places that the connection link is that one of our buddies, Kun Ngop, he literally owns the place, and he goes to outdoor trade shows in Europe and to the US quite often. And also he's one of the guys behind the Thailand Princess Cup. We had quite an interesting conversation. We went for lunch, and after a hearty lunch, I went back to the place to check out the new archery Thai range that relocated to Lat Prau from another location in the outskirts. So a much bigger place, very comprehensive. They have a shop selling optics and all that, binoculars and spotting scope. The guy I spoke to was also involved in archery, and he shoots compound bow. Very nice people, very hospitable, and I had a great time. So tomorrow, if the weather is good, I will roll up to Ayutthaya to get some content done. Failing which, it has been raining in Bangkok. So failing which, I will just hunker down. Maybe I meet up with Kun Prida again in the city for lunch. And later at night, I'll be having dinner with my buddy Nantapon. And also, try to hunker down a bit early, because the journey to Chumpon on Saturday, I do have plans to leave very, very early. So yeah, that's all for me at the moment in Bangkok. So we see if Ayutthaya happens. So yeah, okay guys.